We're doing a service call. Little crank quarters here. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, it's wet. It's very wet in the combustion chamber. You said there was no pilot? I got pilot. Weird looking. On your way? You alright? Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll do a voltage reading. Pretty good. I think it's the board. Yeah, 640, 646. 48. $662. It's going to drop about 100 millivolts when it's running. So the higher it goes, the better. We got 680. I just pushed the insulation up so it can get some air. This is all wet. The temperature pressure relief valve, I dumped a bunch of water in there. It's not too much water. $693. We got Daddy Yankee and Don Amar. This is a 2024, looks like a 30-gallon. Yeah, we're pretty stable at 703, so I'm gonna go get a circuit board and see what I can do. And I will be right back. Okay, we're back. Now we got no spark. That's weird. There we go. So I just put a sort of a different clicker on there, right? Yeah, it already came up. You guys can see it. So basically, just, tested the Thermopile voltage, and we knew that was good. So it had nothing to do with the burner assembly, although it's wet in there. It should dry out. It's a little wetter than I'd like, but I didn't bring my vacuum with me. But it should dry out. And I think he said he replaced the valve, but he probably kept the circuit board, which is the one thing you want to change for sure if you get a flood. Because it's the circuit board that's going to go bad, not the valve. The valve is sealed. So I'll probably keep this one. I'm getting low on these kind of valves, or these kind of circuit boards, so I'll see if I can't bring that one back to life somehow, but it probably shot. Yeah, I think we're good. Some condensation drips. Yeah, I think we're good to go. So diagnose and repair, 30-gallon, basically flooded out. When you get a lot of water on top of a valve like this, it's going to be the circuit board. It's not going to be the valve. So change the circuit board out if you got one. Get a replacement one. Put that on there. Should be ready to go. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. And have a great day.
No da, sí da. Te digo que no da. Te digo que sí da. Ten cuidado, y bolas que se suben y sopas que me la llevo y al querer abrazarla me dijo así: me tumbas la peluca, no seas groserote, con esos brazotes hoy me vas a ahogar. La ruca no era ruca, me salió ruca.